Hi, just your video show condition of this Venga robotic vacuum cleaner. So this is selling as faulty. It has no charger and no docking station, and the battery doesn't last long, hence why it's sold as faulty. I have cleaned it. Does have dust in tight places and little bits of hair. This is model number VGRC 3000BS or C4. Oh, if I can focus. On off switch at the bottom. So the bin, I've washed out the bin and the filters are still a bit wet. So it does actually work, but the battery lasts about 10 minutes. No power supply or docking station. This is sold as faulty for spares. Please don't open the claim saying not as described, it's faulty, because I'm clearly saying it is faulty. Thanks for watching. Any questions at all, please ask.